Hi, I'm Simon with AppliancePartsPros.com. Today we're going to show you how to repair your appliance. Are you ready? Remember, anytime you work on your appliance, make sure it's unplugged or the circuit breakers are off so there's no chance of electrocution. In this video, we'll show you how to replace the burner cap in the GE range. It's going to be a very easy repair. Should only take a minute to show you how to do it. When you open up the package, you're going to get a new burner cap. The burner cap covers the burner base, forming the flame into the round shape. This particular burner cap is for the medium burner. The main reason for the burner cap to be replaced is if the protective enamel is badly damaged or it's simply missing. To replace the medium-sized burner cap, we need to lift off the burner grate and then simply take this off. This is the old burner cap next to the new one. If you don't have this part, you can get it from AppliancePartsPros.com. We're going to install the new burner cap. Just place it on the top. And then we're going to put the grate back on. And now when we're done, you can plug the wrench back in. Thank you for being a part of another successful repair brought to you by AppliancePartsPros.com. For any of your future appliance repair projects, please check out our other videos available on our site, on Facebook, on YouTube, and on Instagram.